Okay, help with number 14, restrictions on the variable. Again, the idea is you cannot divide by 0, so you can't have 0 in your denominators. So really it becomes like what values for x will make the denominator 0. So if I take the denominator on the right, if we just minus 3, that's one of our restrictions. Basically, x can't be negative 3 because then we'd have 7 divided by 0, and that would be an error. Okay, and then looking at the other one, if we solve this, we can add 9 to both sides, take the square root of both sides, until we get x plus or minus 3. Okay, so we already have the restriction of negative 3, so the new one here is positive 3. Okay, so basically the way we say this is x cannot be negative 3 or 3 because those two numbers create 0 denominators, right? And if either denominator is 0, it's a divide by 0 error, and you can't do the rest of the question. So these are numbers that x cannot be called restrictions. Okay, hopefully that helps.